Hey, I want to share with you a spiritual tool. Plug into the power source, meaning there is always power running in your home. I'm going to show you my office real quick. So, right over here, you see a cord. Plug into an outlet. That cord is the clock, and you'll see the light switch as well. Many times, there's power running. We got to realize that we got to plug in when we are weak spiritually, and that's what I'm talking about, plugging to a power source. Weak spiritually, or we not at the level that we need to be. Have we connected and plugged ourselves in to the power source? Who is your power source? Whether it's God or whatever you believe in, have you connected yourself to the power source? And then once have you connected, have you activated that connection? And what I mean by activated that connection, I'm talking about have you turned on, look, you press the power button, or have you pressed the switch? So have you turned on the power source? Have you connected? What are you doing to plug yourself into the power source? The power source of your life. So that is a spiritual tool that we have that many times, I don't know about you, but I need to work on using. And that came to me directly, is plug into the power.